Okay guys, so sheets are changed. Smart cooler is next. Oh yo.
Lows in the mid-50s.
I don't know why he likes that spot. But this thing is going back onto the bed. Look at him. Hi Yo-Yo. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing now. I am watching severe weather on the TV and it's wild. Oh yeah, Stella. But I'm gonna take this. And I just replaced the water not too long ago in this. But I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the water anyway. Okay, it is filled up to the water line, so now I'm gonna go put this back in my room. Good morning, guys. So I am gonna be cleaning out the litter box today, mopping and vacuuming my floor, and cleaning the bathroom today. And also, I just want to show you guys outside real quick because we are under a slight severe storm risk. So, and I also need to go check on my cat anyway. So, I'll show you guys outside. Like, it is so cloudy right now, but we are under a slight severe storm risk, which is why I'm not going to Six Flags at all today. Because once I saw that slight risk, I'm like, yeah, when I saw that risk, I said, nope. That's because I'm not going to get stranded at Six Flags. So I'm going to see where my cat is. Apparently he went outside, so yeah. He's right there. Hi, kitty. Just enjoying the outside before he gets rained on. Hi, Yo-Yo. Like the weather, like the temperature's like really nice out here today, but of course we got severe thunderstorms in the forecast, so, or potential severe thunderstorms in the forecast, so yeah. And I gotta go change his litter box. Oh yeah. He's watching the neighbors. Litter box is all changed out. And this is the kind of litter that we use for him. We use the Fresh Dip. It's usually like a different kind of Fresh Dip, but yeah. Fresh Dip. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I'm going to take like a 15-minute break and I'm going to resume with the cleaning so I can get this video edited throughout the day. Because I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of stuff happening in regards to a potential severe thunderstorm tonight. So, and I do want to keep updated with y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some editing done right now. Still low. Yeah. Cleaning is done. Stella. guys, I just got home, and so we're, well, some places in Anthony are under a severe thunderstorm warning. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch currently.
A chance of thunderstorms.
It is like really dark. Like, look at this. Look how dark it is in my room. Yep. So, I'm gonna show you guys what is doing outside. It is like really, really dark. So, like the wind is starting to pick up and everything. Dang flies.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Atascosa County until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cross, or 8 miles southwest of Christine, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Christine, Campbellton, Cawthorn, and McCoy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 5:37 p.m. Central Standard Time. The San Antonio NOAA weather. Source,
Okay,
radar
guys.
indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Seguin around 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kingsbury around 7:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Littleton around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Zip and Nolte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright guys, so a little update with, the storm last night. Nothing much too happened over here where I was at. But apparently they closed Six Flags early yesterday. So, yeah, this is what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you for the next interesting vlog. Bye y'all.